Everyone, welcome to Framing 3. Think of this as the absolute cornerstone of your AI Carry Agent's 24/7 AI governance learning pathway. Today, we're tailoring AI governance specifically for California clinics to really lay the essential groundwork for your journey.
Our core mission here is pretty simple, moving from confusion to governed action. As a California nonprofit ourselves, our goal is to build a highly practical, community-focused pathway to help nonprofits, legal aid organizations, and health clinics navigate the complex world of artificial intelligence safely and effectively.
So, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, building your governance foundation. Then, California's regulatory hurdles, followed by workflow and control gates, and finally, taking governed action. Let's dive right in.
Okay, Section 1, building your governance foundation. We have to get the basics down first.
Listen, California health clinics face some of the absolute strictest regulatory environments in the entire world. A generic off-the-shelf approach to AI, it simply won't cut it. So today, we are tailoring our AI governance approach to tackle the very specific hurdles clinics face head-on.
Moving to Section 2, California's regulatory hurdles. Let's look at those specific AI laws.
Clinics are dealing with some highly specific legal realities. For instance, patient communications are strictly governed by AB 3030. Then you've got clinical authority cues falling under AB 489, which is all about ensuring patients know they aren't interacting with a human physician. And alongside this, we still have the standard rules surrounding protected health information, or PHI, licensed oversight, and safety reporting. It's a lot to juggle, right?
Which brings us to Section 3, workflow and control gates. This is where we hit operational reality. Now, what's really interesting here is the operational solution to all these regulations. It actually boils down to one golden rule. Every single time AI touches a patient workflow, there must be a control gate. It is the absolute cornerstone for maintaining compliance, no exceptions whatsoever.
Take a look at the workflow and control gates visual on your screen right now. Like we just said, every time AI touches a patient workflow, whether it's drafting a post-visit summary or just sending a reminder, there must be a control gate. For instance, AB 3030 requires clear disclosure when generative AI communicates with a patient. This visual shows you exactly where that disclosure absolutely must happen within your clinical workflow.
And finally, Section 4, taking governed action. Let's apply this directly to your operations. So, you might be wondering, how do you actually do this? How do you begin tracking and securing this in your clinic starting today? I mean, you probably have the workflows in your head, you definitely know the regulations exist, but how do you realistically log it all and ensure those control gates are properly mapped out?
Well, to begin tracking and securing AI use in your clinic, you need to download the Clinic AI Use Case Register. You can grab that straight from the explainer description below. This is an incredibly valuable tool that we designed to help you map out exactly where AI is touching your workflows.
Once you have that register in hand, please proceed to the next module in the playlist to continue building out your AI governance foundation. Thanks so much for joining us for this cornerstone module. But before we wrap up entirely, I want to leave you with one final provocative thought to chew on. Are you proactively governing your clinic's AI footprint right now, or are you just waiting for an unchecked system to dictate your compliance fate? Go download that register, take control of your workflows, and I'll see you in the next explainer.